Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I just want to start off this video by saying how grateful I am for each and every one of you for making our channel happen. That's why I call it our channel. It's because of you. I hope you guys had a great holiday if you celebrate. I just wanted to remind you and tell you, I don't know if I tell you enough, that I'm extremely grateful for all of you and I appreciate you every single day, every single minute. And yeah, so today, of course, we're going to be mentioning some Black Friday sales. We are going to be opening up some items I received from Thread Tank. I'm actually wearing one of them now and I thought it was so fitting. It says grateful on it, but we'll get into the details in just a moment. And I have a bunch of boxes left for November and it's almost over, which is crazy. So the only box I felt like that, I'm looking at my pile, if I'm looking over there, the only box I could think of that related to it was like a clithing item is Splendies, a panty subscription, so we'll be opening that as well. If you guys missed a video I already did that was about some deals, I'll link that down below. I am also planning to record a video tonight where I go through all the subscription box deals I can find. Like I'll go through Cratejoy, there's a bunch, so I'll probably just like skim through it. I think I'm gonna do it in the style I did the customization for FabFitFun, so you'll be like shopping online with me and I can just tell you all about the sales and make some comments on there. And of course I'll like do timestamps so you can jump around if you're not interested in everything because it might be a long one, but stay tuned. That'll probably be posted tomorrow earlier than usual if all goes to plan. But yeah, before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That means so much to me. And if you guys have not yet entered the 11K subscriber giveaway, please do so. It's a big thank you to you guys for all your love and support, and it's very fitting for today too, so thank you. Go enter because I would love to give back to one of you guys, and I am going to. And if you are new here too, that's my cat Archer, who cries only when I film or do any sort of work of any kind, so yeah, he's always around too. I have another cat, Emmy, too, who's like sweet and quiet, but yeah, that's what it is here. So let's talk about Thread Tank. So starting on the 27th, so probably just a few hours after I'm posting this video, I'm filming a little late, they are having a deal. So the 27th to the 30th, if you buy one item, you get 50% off the other. You guys, this is the second time I've opened stuff from Thread Tank and I received 3 pieces before. I love their stuff. This is the first time I received this style and I'm just obsessed. So I'm really grateful that they sent me 3 pieces to share with you guys. And I think it's a better way to tell you guys about sales. I don't want to just like talk about things I don't have, even though I'm kind of doing that tomorrow in a way. So yeah, let's go through it. So it came in this really cute outer packaging, or it was packaged really cute. I took a picture because I did open this last night and film the try-on portion. So hopefully that turned out okay. It was really late. So yeah, I picked 2 of this style and then a shirt. And I think I already said this, but I will link my last unboxing and try-on of this. I think it was a while ago, so it might be funny to watch. But so then inside it had a little note here that said, "Thank you. We're so excited to have you as part of our Thread Tank family. We love to line our brand with those who aspire to inspire. Everyone has a voice and we're so glad that you're letting us be a part of your journey." Yeah, their like tagline or slogan, wow, is "Stories you can wear." And I took the tags off I saved because it says some stuff on here. Every shirt has a beginning and most importantly a great ending. How will your story go? The pen is in your hands, the rest is still unwritten. Oh my god, I almost started bursting out into a song. It was like the Hills theme song, I think. So it says they have a timeless and iconic fit, the softest material ever created, made with eco-friendly materials and processes, lightweight yet durable and breathable fabric, and it is washable. So they suggest turning your garment inside out and washing it in cold. I pretty much always wash all my things on cold. But yeah, let's start off with what I'm wearing now. Like I said, I already filmed a try-on, but I can show you. I'm in pajama pants, I know. But it's cozy day. I love this. So these are their like lightweight sweaters. They're so lightweight and comfortable. They're made of almost completely cotton and they have so many designs on their site, but I actually have a t-shirt from last time. This is Grateful. And I like this because it does like go all the way to my wrist, but I could pull it up as well, you know. That's kind of what I like to do. I don't like when things are right here. Like I can't wear bracelets like when I'm on the computer all day, which I am. So I love this. It's perfect for me, especially because I live in a hotter climate. Like it's getting cooler at nights, like in the 60s, and this is like seriously perfect because like a full-on hoodie or sweatshirt like that was really thick would be a little too warm for me. This is $29.99. I believe their full like sweatshirt line like this is. And again, if you do the buy one get one half off, it would be $15. I'm gonna link all the specific items I have down below as well. But yeah, browse their site. They have so many different designs and stuff, different cuts, different styles, different things. There's like something that could be great for everyone, I think. And the quality is just amazing. I love this so much. And I love how it's a little bit off the shoulder. Like I just have this little like bralette slash like crop top underneath it. And the other one I got is in black in the same style. And I think it's great. It says no on it. And it's the same exact thing, just different color and different saying on it. And I don't know, something about this, like when I'm having a sassy day, I think it's perfect. I love black and white. Archer, come here. Do you want to say hi to everyone? Where's his brush? I swear, I don't know what's wrong with him. He just wants me to sit downstairs with him all the time. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm just looking down because I write stuff down in case I forget. So I already told you the deal, but you don't even need a promo code. It's just automatically applied on their website. And also there'll be free shipping for orders over $45. And the last shirt I have here, I love this color, and this is a V-neck. I like V-neck style like a lot more than crew neck, and this is so comfy too, and this says happy on it. And I'm like one of those dorks, so I still stand by it, just like seeing like positive things and affirmations, just seeing happy, like can remind you to change your mindset if you're in a negative mood. Archer, you need to change your mindset, dude. I love you though. Want to be pet? I gave him too many TREATs. I can't bribe him anymore with those. Do you even know how to, he just came. Do you know how to spell it now? Smartest cats alive because I'm their mama. But yeah, so I love this. The quality's great. So I looked at the sweaters. They're like mostly cotton, like I said, and this one is 52% cotton and 48% polyester. And I like the fit of them. I got all of mine in a size large, so I think they fit true to size, and I like how they're not like too fitted, but they are. Like you can still see like my frame and stuff. Like the shirt's probably like a little bit less fitting than the sweaters, I would say. But I absolutely love all three, and I know I'm gonna be wearing these all the time. Like you guys will probably notice. I'm all about comfort, so these are seriously the comfiest, and I love how lightweight this is. So I haven't found any sweaters like this, I don't think. I definitely don't have any. All the sweatshirts I have are like really thick. So yeah, so the deal will be listed down below along with the links to these specific items and just their website in general if you want to browse. And now I'm gonna go pet Archer for a second, and then we will unbox my Splendies for November. I seriously just built like two little like tent things. He loves that with like blankets. Cat mom of the year. Well, apparently not, because he's never happy. Where's my Splendies? Maybe I'll show a picture, you guys. But we'll see if we can get away without him crying. And I gave him a TREAT because I'm a pushover mom too. So Splendies, this is normally $14.95. It is a panty subscription. I've been getting it for a while now and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to see what the theme is. I bet there's some like Christmas stuff in here. Last month we got a lot of cute Halloween panties. I can link my Splendies playlist down below if you want to check it out and see what other underwear I have and wear. All my underwear is from Splendies pretty much, and then a few from, I get 2 a month also from Rose War Panty Power, so yeah, I'm stocked up on fresh new panties. But anyways, so yeah, it's $14.95, but right now, if you go on their website, there's a pop-up to get 50% off. I also know of a code that's worked for a while. It's June50 in all caps. I'll leave that down below. So, I mean, you have two options, but you can get your first for like 7 something. And they have sizes from like small to 4X, so they're pretty size inclusive. And you also get to customize like the style of panties you get. So I get a surprise variety, so I get a mixture of thongs and like brief underwear, or like other style like full back underwear. And you can get all thongs or just all full back. So I think it's awesome, always so cute, and I think the price is great. So let's see what I got. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be winter themed. I love that they have cute tissue paper always. I like package a lot, so I have a few online shops, so I will definitely reuse this. How cute. I can't believe it. I'm filming this on Thanksgiving, so it's officially Christmas season right now, right? Crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm in love already. Here's a sneak peek. Oh my gosh, and they feel so nice. I am so happy right now. Oh my god, the first one is so cute. They all are so cute. Oh my god, this might be like my favorite one. I say this every time, don't I? But it's so good every month. That's why I always say they're my favorite. But look how fun this is. So it has like the leopard or cheetah, whatever it is. I can never tell the different prints apart. And obviously this one is full back, and it's Splendies brand, and it's $12 value, and it is made from 86% nylon and 14% spandex. I found that I really do like nylon panties. They're like really smooth, and they're good for wearing under clothes when you don't want it to be noticed. Like they're kind of like the no-show, or like laser cut panties, or I think might be the name. But these are so cute. And by the way, I get a size large. Some people say they size up, so it depends on the fit you like. So if you like looser or something, or I don't know. But I get a size large, and they've been fitting me fine. I've got a pretty big booty, but these are so cute. And then the next is a thong, and this is perfect for the winter holidays. Oh my god, the last pair is like so adorable, but this is like perfect. Look at, I love the blue and white, so it's got like a lacy top and the snowflake print, and the back matches. There's a little bow in the front and lace detail on the side as well. These are adorable. I love them. And again, this is Splendies brand. Usually they are, but sometimes you'll get a different brand, and they're $12. And I'm guessing this is more like cotton. Let's see though. And then like some spandex for the waistband. Oh, it's actually rayon. Nice. 95% rayon and 5% spandex. I've been really paying attention to fabrics lately, like trying to learn them better. Yeah, it does. Yeah, I like rayon too. And the last pair, I'm gonna guess this is nylon. I don't know why I'm playing this guessing game. But look at this. It's like Christmas dog panties. This is a full back pair. You know, honestly, it looks like they might, I don't know, maybe it's just the cut of these, but they seem like they might be like a little bit bigger than usual. I don't know, I'll have to fit you in. But how cute. There's like a little Pomeranian, pug, golden retriever, all different types of pups. And pink snowflakes. Oh my god. So $12, Splendies brand. And what is this made out of? Does anyone do try-on videos with their underwear and Splendies videos if you guys binge them? Because I wonder, I'm not saying I'm going to, I'm just curious if that's like allowed. So yep, 87% nylon and 13% spandex. See like how cute they're always on theme? So I would love to know, are we panty twins? Because sometimes we'll get the same, sometimes we'll get different, and sometimes you guys will get only fullbacks or only thongs. So I like getting my mixture, and I love this so much. All of them. I love the colors. I am always so happy. So again, check out my playlist. Definitely take advantage of that 50% off if you want to get some, refresh your panty drawer, get some new pairs, feel good. It feels nice to have something cute on or sexy underneath. Like this subscription is usually definitely more on the cute, like everyday wear side, but sometimes you'll get a little, like some sexier pieces too. So if you like a mixture of both, I think this is great. I've heard about other underwear subscriptions, but this is the only one primarily for underwear that I receive. If you guys have any other recommendations, please let me know. But thank you guys so much for being here, and thank you again for being so amazing and making my life better every single day. I hope you all had a great holiday if you celebrate. Special thanks to my channel members. You guys are amazing. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching this video is super helpful, and I appreciate it so much. I think I missed a word there in my little outro. I really do appreciate all of you guys, and I hope you know, I hope you had a great day. I hope you have a great day every day. I'm always thinking about you. I love you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.